Hello, children. I have something special today. Lily, this is for you. Me. Oh, for me? A present? What is it, Mom? Can I open it now?
Thank you, Mom. I am so excited. This wrapping paper is so pretty.
You're welcome, sweetie.
I thought you'd like it. Mom, why does Lily get a present? Do I get one too? Jake?
Oh, sweetie, what's wrong?
Art supplies. Wow. Colored pencils and markers. And paint. I love it so much.
It is not fair. Why only Lily? I want a present too. I am sad. Oh, Jake, please do not cry. Let me explain why Lily got this gift. Lily got this gift because she worked very hard at school. She got all A grades.
Thanks, Mom.
I'm sorry, Jake. I love you both the same. But sometimes we get special things for special reasons. Do you understand? Lily got good grades? So this is a reward for working hard?
Oh, don't hello.
Jake, I am sorry. I did not think about your feelings. I was selfish.
Do you want to use my art set with me? We can share it. Okay.
You two can draw together.
I'm sorry, you can use my paints too.
Really? You will share with me? Can I really use your new art supplies?
Yes. We can draw together. You can use any colors you want. I love sharing with you. Thank you, Lily. You are a good sister. I am happy now. This is fun.
Look at you both, drawing together, sharing nicely. I am very proud of both of you.
Look, Mom. I drew a purple flower. Do you like it? I worked hard on it. You drew this green dinosaur? I drew a green with big teeth. Is he like my dad?
Both pictures are beautiful. I will put them both on the refrigerator. Right here.
Look, Jake.
Our pictures are together.
Yours and mine. Both on the fridge. They look nice. I love you, Mom.
And I love you too, Lily. I am sorry I cried. Jake, it is okay to feel sad sometimes.
Whoa.
But we must talk about our feelings with words. I should have asked how you felt. I was too excited. I did not notice you were sad.
Okay.
That's right. I felt left out. I thought you were more special than me. But now I understand. Oh my goodness. You two are wonderful. Hugging and making up. I love you both so much. Snack time. I made the same snack for both of you. Exactly the same.
Thank you, Mom. This looks yummy. I am hungry from all the drawing. Can I use the blue marker? Oh, thank you. We share everything now. That is nice. You two are so sweet.
How was your day today? Did you both have fun drawing together?
Yes, it was super fun. We drew a giant dragon.
And a castle. Woo!
What?
Your turn, Jake. Roll the dice.
I hope you get a good number. We both have to brush our teeth. Before bed every night. Good hygiene.
Good night, sweet Lily. I am proud of you for sharing with Jake today.
Good night, Mommy. I love you.
Thank you for the art set. Sweet dreams.
Good night, sweetie.
Good night, Jake. I am proud of you for using your words to tell us your feelings.
Good night, Mom. I love you. Lily is nice for sharing. I am happy now.
Good morning. I am making pancakes. Come sit down.
What?
Breakfast is almost ready.
I had a dream about flying with colorful wings. It was so fun.
Do you ever dream about flying?
Can I use the red marker now? Oh, thanks. I am drawing a rocket ship.
Look, I drew our family. That is you, me, and Mom. We are holding hands under a rainbow.
This is my rocket ship. It has blue and red. Do you think it looks good?
2 more beautiful pictures.
Yeah.
The refrigerator is becoming an art gallery. I love all your drawings. 4 pictures now. 2 from yesterday, 2 from today.
Yay! We are both artists.
I am happy, Mom. I love my family.
Lily shares with me. You love us both. I do, sweet.
I love you both equally. Always. You are both special. You are both my precious children. I love you too, Mom.
And I love Jay. Sharing makes me happy.
We are a good family. The end. Remember, love is not measured by gifts. Kindness and sharing make everyone happy. These are important lessons. Do you feel jealous sometimes?
That is normal. Always talk about your feelings.
Use these words when you have big feelings. Talking helps. Sharing helps. Kindness helps. Thank you for learning English with us today. We hope you enjoyed the story. Come back soon. Goodbye. Keep practicing English. Remember, you are special. You are loved. See you in the next story.